up America. Half of you should know me, right? Other half a replica.
So today I'm gonna show you how to install RAM on a notebook or laptop. Mine is a Dell. It's an Inspire series 5000 and something, and you can see there it's only 4 gigs of RAM installed right now. So first thing you have to do is obviously switch the laptop off. So I'm gonna switch it off, shut down. It's shutting down. Yeah. Continue anyway. So the next thing, unplug it from the power. Then you're gonna switch it over and get the battery out so you don't short it out. Come on. So the battery is out. So the next thing you have to do is to turn it back over and open it up. And press the power button for like 5 seconds. I think 5 seconds is enough to get out all the power from it. So I think that's done. Now you're gonna have to flip it over again, right like this, and you see here's the bay where's the hard drive and the RAM installed. So on my laptop it's only holding with just 2 screws here and another one here, and it opens kind of here, I think. So the first thing you have to have is a screwdriver, little screwdriver, and your DMOS memory. So I have already installed on it 4 gigs of RAM. I'm gonna install another 4 gig DIMM, so it's gonna have like 8 gigs. So another important thing you have to check is the RAM voltage and frequency. So mine is DDR3L and 1.35 voltage, and the CL latency is 11. So it's not the same manufacturer as in the Dell installed in the laptop previously, but it should work because it's definitely same frequency, same voltage, and same everything, and it's same 4 gig stick. So let's open it up. So just like that. So let's get out the screws. So first let's open up the RAM. Like that. And here's your RAM. Mine is Crucial. I don't have any preference or Kingston or something like that. Mine is just a Crucial one. It's a 4 gig stick. And now let's open up the laptop. So I'm gonna get the screws. So one is out. So I'm gonna take out the second one. This comes out easy. So this is the easy part, I think. So that's out. And now let's open this up like that. So here's the hard drive, and here's the wireless LAN card, and here's another 4 gig stick that's pre-installed. So let's take these clips out. I don't know how this is done because it's my first time. So I think take the stick and just put it in like that, and take these out like that. Oh, sorry. So kind of like that, and just push it in. And I think that's it. So let's try to turn it off, turn it on. So let's turn it over, and if everything works, this should boot up properly. So let's open it up. Let's plug in the power cable and hope for the best. So it's turning on. So I think, or it's not. What the hell? So it's not turning on. Why? Oh yeah. Oh, I was afraid that it won't turn on. So that's great. The amount of system memory has changed. So build files. So I'm gonna check continue. So I think it was a process to recognize the RAM and some stuff like that. Whatever. So Windows is starting. I hope it works and it reads over the RAM. So let's hope everything's okay. So Windows is loading. Oh, come on. So I'm gonna insert my password and just check out in my computer the amount of RAM installed. So it's loading, welcome. So the laptop booted up. And now let's check out the amount of RAM installed and if it reads all. I think everything is alright because it's working quite good now. So right click on this PC and click properties. So that's done. Hooray! So now it has 8 gigs of RAM installed. So I think that was all. And now I'm gonna put back the back shield, back panel, and I'm gonna run some benchmarks in some games, and just gonna check out if everything's alright. I think that's it. So don't forget, the most important thing when you upgrade your RAM on your laptop or PC or anything, first check out the laptop's internal RAM. So check out what kind of RAM is installed, the voltage, the frequency, because you should buy the same frequency and the same voltage. If you're gonna, and it doesn't matter if you install like you have a ADATA 4 gig stick installed on your laptop, and after that you install a 4 gig Kingston or Corsair or anything, because it's gonna work properly if the voltage is correct and the same, and if the frequency is the same. So that was all. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna come back pretty soon. So bye bye. Thank you for watching.